Hey guys, and welcome to a live stream. Today, as you can see, I'm currently in Unity. In Unity with Barbie code. Code in my game. And I thought, because I said to you guys, we'll put in a poll on YouTube right here that you guys wanted 55% of views wanted me to do a live stream sometime this month, as there would be all the other videos would be pre-recorded. So yes, 21% of you said no, you said good, and obviously 23 said up to me, and yes, that's how 47 votes, but hey. Anyway, so yeah, yes, and also obviously you can somewhat see what next week, Monday, Wednesday and Friday's video are going to be. Anyway, so my plan for somewhat, or at least to get done in this stream, hopefully, is Unity be installing things. It's probably for phones and that. Anyway, yeah, my goal for this stream is to try and get a got a save system now, to get a what is it called, a pause screen, so that you can actually pause in the game, because that would be quite handy. As currently you can't hit escape, as you can probably hear, I don't know because I can't, well, there. So yeah. Okay, well, yeah, and also to possibly get this done. So what our plan is with this, because okay, so I'll just play one up. Well, it's not playing, it's just names and yeah. Anyway, be like, so that would be the old ball. Okay, you have to log into my own launcher. No. 1 second. And hopefully, as you can see now, I'm not sure where it'll play the previous version of this, which I somewhat. The odd thing with this is that I got it to work again. I fixed the issues I had with it, which was that the red blocks, which you somewhat have to dodge, though they're not be the only things you have to dodge in game, or do you have to even dodge at all? Yeah, they just vanished out of existence, and so did the character, the ball. So I went, and the somewhat lighting did its own thing, so screw it, make a new one, make it better and what I really want to do. Did that a couple of days ago. As I said, I fixed it. Then I go like, oh okay, update the game to the latest Unity engine version. Did that, and the lighting screwed up. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna. What my plan is with the first one. Yeah, those are 11 levels. No, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 levels. Yikes. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. I haven't managed to complete. Yeah. Here you go. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh yeah. I forgot I coded it awkwardly, so you can you actually get a boost if you press spacebar. Yeah, you can hear my computer screen because it's like pouring, I think like 2,000-3,000 frames a second. I don't know whatever the graphics card can pull out of it, but it's doing. But yeah, this one I resume main menu and quick game won't be that, but main menu. Oh yeah, main menu and resume will be probably yeah. And then this is version of you guys. This one. Which is the one I awkwardly screwed up. Yeah, you can see this is what it's like. Well, shouldn't be like. But the player and the red objects are fix that, and then fixed the lighting as well, so how it should be, and then it turned back to this thing, and it's annoying because it's not meant to be this. Yeah, it's also, this is nothing that I'm not 100% sure if I'll be able to get done this live stream, maybe, depending on how long I decide to live stream for, but yeah, it's another thing I want to possibly try and add, which be in its own save file. Yeah, because Dodge Blocks 2 beta, or demo as I've called it, and two games, Dodge Blocks build. No, that's just using mono. What am I on about? One Dodge Blocks 2 build. Save file is save 1. Yeah, it only has 4 saves, whilst the current beta version I've build goes through sound quiet because I'm not 100% sure if no, you're not of the latest. No. You're an old one. Yes, I have to build the game quickly. Bye. Let's go to main loop. Build test. Yeah. Also, the way I was somewhat say, because I would also like to get you guys to somewhat playtest it, or at least some reviews. A certain amount of views. So I was thinking, well, either I can do it something like, say, for either Patreon, where I obviously pay a certain amount, or do it through obviously YouTube. So instead of having to make obviously another like Patreon account and all of that, it'd be easy, YouTube. Obviously you join, say, like a member, or there'd be one above that would be like, say, only come available when like a new game is a test, like in like early beta, like private early beta, where only so many of you guys obviously get to play it, or that, or just like open beta, I don't know. Not really sure, just have it as the first rank. I'm not 100% sure yet how, but I do want not a load of you guys to just obviously go and do it. So I don't want to be sitting there like with a list like 100 people, and then like have obviously all those, like mention all those people like in a credit. Like credit to all these people for helping me out, and there'd just be 100 people. And yeah. 3. Yeah, this is somewhat what it's meant to look like. Dodge Blocks 1 the first one. No, the other one. Yeah. Also, the reason why I'm pretty sure, yes, this is definitely smaller than the other one. The reason why it is because while you're only using W, isn't it? You're not obviously being locked into just A and D, which there will be levels for that. And yeah. So you can also delete profiles now. That I was also thinking of adding, because I've played it, well, I've watched people play, and I've played a game called Sapius, which inspired me to think of maybe adding stuff like, say, half loops and not half loops. Well, yeah, say loop-de-loops, what else, pipes and all of that, and even maybe eventually online, like something down the line, if you guys are interested at all. I really need to. I don't know what's creating that file, because the reason why I actually made that file is for my game launcher, but I've decided to not, and just it's more so, that was more so for my game launcher, because I was going to have it, say, like if I say go and make a Dodgeblox 3, that your characters and that from Dodgeblox 2 can, like, obviously, like their levels, well, yeah, like their stats and levels and that you've saved and that can transfer over into the game. And yeah, also as you can see, there's player data, which is level, and then owned characters. Owned characters would be the characters from this that you've bought, and when you've bought one from when you've bought one, it will somewhat generate a file there where you'll be able to upgrade it. So upgrade, update, upgrade. So make it have, say, give you more money or more health. More health would be, so instead of instantly dying when you hit a red block, or I don't know, like hit a red block or another object that would signify death. Instead of that signified death, it would just take that life away, and you'd be able to continue going, or obviously speeding that. And I plan on also having, say, as you can see, when you press play, like when you press play, also obviously if I press that one, I'm like, I have to actually finish the game, because I haven't got the option to go back like this. I think the first one will be from the original game, which will have no like fixed speed. Fixed speed, so you can't what's it doing that now? Fix that. Those might be wording that. Can't do that. No, okay, so it's just a Unity engine thing. It's, I thought I was going insane. Not insane, I thought, damn it, Unity Strikes getting a bit odd. Kind of screw you graphics thing. Anyway, so So yeah, also because I've got in-game money that. Also, the reason why back doesn't work is because it's got no actual save directory, so it's not letting me go back. It's just like I don't know where to save to create the save file, so like too bad for you. And the ironic thing is that I had just both, like, I deleted almost everything to do with the phone, so I was going to make a phone build and get everything working, and then yeah, but just a thing wouldn't work, which was the save system. And once I started getting rid of some stuff, I then decided that technically, yeah, it wouldn't either. Then I went there and I was like, oh, everything's working fine, everything looks fine. Yeah, I had, when they fixed that date, that it was resetting the path, like save file path, or changing like the folder name, because say once save folder save 1 is made, it would then change to save 2 so you can obviously make more save files than just one, like 10 currently, which is max. And yeah, I was having issues with that. Then I somewhat realised that it was because I had it on that, and it's been annoying now, isn't it? Test. Yeah, if people say, oh yeah, you should always like say test your games, you should always build and test your games, not just test them in Unity. The reason why is because, as you can see, like, it's not shown there yet. You can clearly see here that it's the thing is working just fine now. Canvas, menu, that. Yeah. Then again, but yeah. Building one. Yeah. Ooh, autopilot. Autopilot is just this, so when the game runs, it just shows what is causing the most lag for the game. Oh, I'll sort that out in my own time. Yeah, that's more of a probably just not wanting to go work. Anyway, let's do this to jump into that. Also, if you're wondering what the white thing is, that's more of a, that's what allows you to choose your character. So yeah, yeah, also I said plan on making a flight one where you can more like kind of flight level or glide level, where you'd have to dodge flying objects, somewhat either coming at you to the sides of you, dropping down, rising up, that type of thing. And also you'd be able to say somewhat customize your own character, and from there you'll be able to, or say like in the future I plan on also kind of adding a option of in the main menu when you first load into the game, where you can make your own level, create your own level if you want to. So yeah, it's not just party. Don't why. Something like that, then from there, go to UI, text, panel, nope, but, yeah. Can you hear my voice? Coming through the noise. I'm floating through outer space. I'm lost and I can't find a way. Oh, all the lights going dark and hopes destroyed. Help me. Is anybody there? Easy. Want it definitely bigger. Want to be. Calling out Mayday. Calling out Mayday. Easy. It's so dark out here in space. That'd be good. Since I've seen a face. My eyes are shut, but I can see the void between you and me. And I feel like I'm going insane. Help me. Is anybody there? Save me. I'm running out of air. Yeah, so that. Zoom button. Another button. UI. Button name is back. Yes, just back. That's all I do need is back. Control C to undo that. I'm gonna do that for allocate bunch of that and move it down a bit. And go to left. tip blue. Back. Auto bold. Front outline, underline, debug set. Ooh, soft colour. Colour grading. Full colour. Ooh, red. Right, now I'm picking random colours. Ooh, wait, so... Huh. Didn't know about that. View enable color gradient. Did not know that calculator. Highlight. Well, normal shall be transparent. Same with reason. For them to be somewhat transparent, because then you can hover over them. And you can see they like that, so you know which one you're hovering over. Back is pretty easy because I've already got a script for that. Sing back. No, I don't want to go back to that. I'm going to go back to scene, UI scene, main. Where is we? Can't see it from, I can't see it. Where are we? That needs an either. There we go. We want to go back to that. We want to tell that we want to go back to main level UI. Then go to that. Press that. Go to that. Go to scene back and then back. Boop. Hello. Of course I could like made script and add that in, but if you've already got a very simple tiny script that has that, then why not? That's thing, just have a load of tiny little scripts branch thing around your project. Resume is just going to be to disable said thing, which we want the animator because we want to actually. Oh no, we want it. That'll be on canvas though. So we want show the time on use language. Another layer canvas does not support it. Likely these changes are not needed. Oh no, I can't have gap. I can't. Damn it. PAUSE. Menu. There we go. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain.
Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end, no, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there,
Just
close
you are.
to the sun, close to the sun.
You are. Public. Get loose. Object. UI.
Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we said it's sad. And all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
Oh. What happened?
Close to the sun.
Because Air wanted to play Frankie with me and I was hoping that.
So when I'm gone, I'll be right close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to
Game
the
object.
sun.
UI. No. Pause. Menu. Underscore menu. Fine. Can't have underscores. What appears? I'm just gonna ignore it. What do I want now? Right, void update. Void. Fix that code. If get not tab, clear return, keycode pause. Keyboard tab returner. What is it called? That's what it's called. Though it says it, yeah. I realised it says it on So input dot get key code escape. Then we want pause menu dot set active to TRE. Oh. Bye bye. Set activity. Pretty sure that's activity. And then we want time dot time scale equal to 0. That stops. Everything except for, I think, animation. Menu dot set that to and time 0 to equal to 1. And from there we want PUB void so button can find it within the script. Public void game. Resume game. So pause menu dot set activity to bias and time dot time since last loaded and that time scale equal to 1. That's it. That's all that I needed to do for that. Now we should have a go to resume. Press pause menu, resume game. Here you want. Edit and just put time dot time scale. The reason why I put F is because it means float. It means a whole number. Because apparently it can not play so well. I've had one people though. That's also something I've been doing for since I first started doing it. So yeah. Now let's get to you, go to you, and let's. Can't move, we can resume. Yay! Okay, the only other thing I want is UI that, and then that just saying game is paused. Also one thing like I don't people game is I'm spelling pause right. I think so. Yeah, okay. I don't know, it just looks wrong to me. It just looks, it just looks wrong to me. That's a good thing. Also, another, Also, we do the, whatever it's called thing. Color grading. Smack into a colour, then go red, or can do blue, black, and red. Okay, or just do black. And then that. What do you think, guys? Something like that? Or I'm gonna leave it like that and then see what the comments say in the video. If it well, then it becomes a video and then no comments like that. Go too fast and then pick what we want that to be off. So then you can do that. Not me because it's pause. And reason pause. Good pause, reason pause. Oh. No. I think it's in an early version of Dodge Blocks 2. Either in Dodge Blocks 2 or Dodge Blocks where I had it. Yeah, I have just a ton of. Actually, I have old versions of my game. I think, or I used to. But they would be on this hard drive. Making games. Backups. Does backup of them. Link. Not done making Windows. Does post. Yes, this is how we, yeah. Yeah, yeah, what happened to this? because I know I disabled it, but I don't ever remember enabling it again. Yeah. Then again, well. I really do have a tendency. Yeah, see, this is how it's meant to look, not well, it's the player, I think the player's meant to be shiny. Can't even pass the first to the third. First, yeah. Yeah. I'm not sure what version was it when I did. I don't know yet. Gloves. Damn it. 30, no. What version was it? I did pause menu. Where? What? Setting some background scale and then what happened to 1.0? That is 1.0. No. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, here, I don't know. Yeah. I confuse my own stuff with my own button into it. Yeah, so that is now, well, that's just in, well no, that's not just in case, that is when people go back, just pay that, because you never know at what point I'll end up watching the game and then I'll be stuck sitting there wondering why WSD won't work. Yeah, I've been there where I just didn't work and then I had to, yeah, wasn't fun. Also the else and if meant, no it doesn't. Though I doubt it, you could just press it again and it gets Input dot get key dot get key down. Have I done anything?
Infinite power.
Yeah. Yes, it doesn't work. Input dot get key. Yes, dot. And pause menu dot set activity is equals dot set pause menu dot set activity is equal to false.
Looking for a way to work it out. I'm trying to find some peace to navigate the ocean where I met
That's what NF is meant to do.
on a statue. I still
So I can just do another one, which is just like if pause menu dot set activity is equal to. Sure, because it would save people our voicemail like it won't unpause. Why wouldn't it unpause? But it won't unpause. Yeah, that's just for the sake of if the game. I'll just do it just in case of random stuff happens. If
everything we wanted turned to gold. The path we chose, the future on our side.
pause menu set activity to pause. No, pause menu dot set activity is set activity. That is what is it? Equals false. And news equals false. Okay, it's still not. Now! No, because it has to be a boolean, don't you? You have to be a boolean. Or did you revert back to no? Get key. Yeah, you have to be a boolean. Yeah. PUB public. Bool. And then And then game is paused. Then we want to put game loop. Game is paused. Whoopsie equals virus. And due to fact it's not equal to false, it should run that, which I want you. No, why, get back. Alright. So if I put TIUTRUV instead, then I do it with them back because that's not. Game, can you stop setting it? Right, because the action's not being recorded, it's being So that would mean if I left that on. Okay, that's somewhat convenient thing because it explains why that wouldn't work. Because it's in fixed update. We just want update. I think, which is never mind. Nice what happens if it's on update. Also that was flashing like mad for me, but OBS wouldn't be able to capture it because it's not running. Streaming 360. I don't. Well, wait, is it? Whoops, of it. No, it's in. It's been fixed. Okay. well, at least that'll stop something. My own stupidity. I've done that. And I've built a game and I've left the pause menu on one of the things, so it's like inverted. So it's start. So when you press it to deactivate it, it pauses the game, and then vice versa. Yeah, though you'd think it would auto-correct itself. But somehow managed to code it, but it wouldn't auto-correct, thus being the most annoying thing ever to encounter. Which works, but oh well. Yeah. Oh no, I know, I use OSIF. Right, because it should go well, because like the second part isn't equal to true, but it's give me the hey, you know, not unless it also causes some code, which I presume it would. Well, I guess it does. Seems like it does. Anyway, what else do I need to do? Now that I've messed well enough with the force menu. Well, let's quickly go to scene, go to that. Go back there, go to them three tabs. Put in there. Next is scene preview line level 3 line canvas, yeah, jump, scene, Yay! Yeah, I don't have level 3. I was just gonna go, huh? I don't remember ever having a level 3. No, we don't. I haven't coded a level 3. Don't win level 3, level 4. CW UI character is where we want to be next. To the amount. Yeah. I was thinking of literally giving them names, but whoops. Minecraft doing that. Oh, launch this update. Yeah. Let's wait for this to update. Don't mind on me that I'm gonna have to log in. No, YouTube it will. Not YouTube, man. No, it didn't. 1.3 came up. 1.92.3, not 1.3. So they should be working on 1.20 after, I guess. I don't know. Change content. Scroll content. Player name and status owned by to buy. Actually, that one doesn't even need that. Yeah, because it's the first one anyways. So it's just gonna say owned. No. Yes. Amount to buy and then I don't know, 10. Yeah. Status file and yeah, so buy it for 10. Buy, and then you can click on it, and if you have a amount of money, you'll be able to buy it. I'm going after my sound with text. No, not text. Yeah, I am. Yeah. Wait, what? What text are you using? Just no text. Important, because if you do UI and you do text.text/pro, it won't work because I don't know Unity. So I'm going to go to Legacy and then text. Up the align by geometrically, that's the overflow. Because it had a right. Huh. That's what how it does it. 2 is considered a huh. Yeah. No, okay, that way. Yeah, that's how we want to go. Okay. Just yeah. Don't telephone me. Yes, we do.
Getting stronger every day. To the bullets and the flames. But the fire's in your eyes, and there's no place left to hide. You got nowhere to run away. No, you got nowhere to run away, run away, run away, run away, run away, run away,
Huh? Okie dokie. I don't know why. Oh. Lazy. That's right. That's why. So this is for showing the amount you have when you collect the coins, because I've coded it into one script. And when it's not true, so when the when it's true, when it's false, this script is run, which goes, hey, because you know the top one is false, switch coin is false. I know it's like in the game, because like when you collect the money, when you go through the level, it will just probably display. I don't really need to. Do I need to explain it? Oh no, I've said to explain it anyway. yeah. It's more of just a tool for me to use for simplicity, to speed up my thing. But if I forget that I need to press the button down so the tick mark appears, it can get somewhat annoying when you forget about that. Yeah. Anyway, I believe I meant to do. Right, is it 2 string plus over, yeah. And I've put it in the wrong one. Yeah, that's a good starter. Yes, it is in fact the way you're meant to do it. Yay! Okay, everything's working. So now we can see the menus we have. Yeah. Yay, okay. Also, I'm just gonna have that as 0. I have no money. Yes, let's say to 300. Oh, I want it. I sent it to the moon. Oh, bit. It went, see ya. Huh. Doesn't like 25. 28. Doesn't like 28. 26. Yeah, and then minimum size, when well, it still looks big. I know that means. Yeah, like it just shrunk. Yeah. Oops, we don't want that happening. So we want that to go to overlow and that just stays up. Which means it won't get any bigger because that itself. So we want don't it like massive, but I want it so you can obviously see it. Like, yes, that's current money. And not go, where's my money? I can't see it. How much do I have there? Enough? Yeah. Yeah. Next is the somewhat slightly which would be turning No, they are bones, yeah. It's just the intractability. Yeah. Which means we can't interact with it. And due to the fact it's got blue background, it. Oh no, until I get bit stay like that, but yeah. Pretty much intractability will lock it. But we also need. Where does that? I don't know. What? Though, I'd also like to know why it's setting itself to 1. I'll put it there.
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
Nope. No, I want you, yeah.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never
Why are you starting with?
they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep
We're fine, Abel.
keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
Because they're enabled, because I'm not doing an if statement. That's why. So I can get rid of that. Yeah. Yeah, because I'm not doing an if, it's just bouncing in between them. Oops. Just want to do, yeah, public void. Yeah. Void update. Why have I got rip blood in here of all things? Why do I need that? Why does the script need rip blood in there? What was I trying? What was I don't know. What was I going for? I don't know. I'll put characters in the link. I will rename it characters later. What else? What else do I? Public ball. No, it'd be better if it was a flow. 'Cause 1, 2, yeah. Public. A low float. Layer. Is equal to whatever. Yeah, one then. Not law. Flick. And F infinite power. Yeah, so F player is equal to 1, then that is less than or equals to 1, because that will stop any crashes from happening. So if it magically becomes a 0, you're not going to be like you know, like they're just going, why won't it just why won't it work?
Infinite power.
Yeah. Also, that would make why am I even bothering? I could literally just put the whiteboard there where the 2 cylinders are and then just not have to worry. Why didn't I do that in the first place? Because then I wouldn't have to worry about all of this. I like making things a lot more complicated. Don't need that. Don't need that either. Yeah. Points. Right, that's on the road start. Don't want to do that. Ready, because boom. Yes, let's just get rid of there we go. That's why. Could I order No, you know I don't like spell character when I've got it as change player. Choose play. Choose doesn't even look on. And then yeah. I'll be able to make a small amendment to it, because instead of just having this in void start, I could just have it in void in fixed update. So yeah, because it's either less than or equal to. Because from 1, so it's that's less than or equal to 1. But if 1 turns to 1.00, like 1.400, then like 400 zeros, then 1 game's gonna go, well, you're not equal to one whole number, and it will go, well, I'm not going to work. Well, it goes to 1.1, 1.2, it won't. So 2 goes, oh hey, you're, you know, you're not 1, but you're, you know, 2, but yeah, but you're less than me, but you're not 1, so I can work. So yes, go, like, and yeah. Hope you guys understood what I was saying there. In others, I'm just going to make a quick amendment to our little, to not that script, load player. I'm going to make a secondary load player called load player. To CC, choose character. Oh no, that's just what. Okay. Also, I don't need that. I can remove that as well. Yeah. Don't need to. Yeah, I also got some collision. Just yeah. LOAD load. Right, how did I get it to? How did I get the script to have a gap? I don't know. Load player CC. So I can have gaps in them. Right? No. Just be load player grab. Wow. Don't think the game is going to that and go to private void fix that thing and choose identity for that. Yay. Yeah, I know, because now you're going to remove that, because then choose player, player, then object 1 and object 2. Ooh, it spawns down. Yay! Wait, but it's not updated. Nah! Right. I forgot about that. That it just generates it constantly. Because it's in fixed update and that voids that. Oh, that's annoying. This is called every fixed frame. How about that then? Update is called every frame if the mono behavior is enabled. Oh, good lord. Yeah, no, I just made it a lot worse. So, no, it seems like I'm gonna have to just. Oh no, at least I had those, right? So I know what I need to add into fix them. Don't need that. I'm just going to do public load. Layer. And then have that equals 1. Then do one if player is equal to 1, then that activity true as if two, then we want it vice versa. Was and that equals 1. That is equal to 2f. Go to new game, go to 1, go to that, go. Right, okay, so we do actually want it to PUB public void. Void start. Yeah. If it equals less than or greater. Is that how you do it? No, it just, yeah. Yeah. But it's something I'm gonna have to save. I don't know, in that out. I'm done much coding. I don't think so. Yeah. What else do I want? What else do I want? That's on. That's on. I'm going to want to go to my data script. Save game data is equal to the data manager. Game data manager. Layer. Be right back, guys. Back from my little break. Drunk a bit, got a bit of food, and Yeah. No, back, don't need that. Don't need that. Something like that. Don't need it. That and save and game and that. No, that's this. Save game, which is that, and don't need that. Which is in game, no public class game. Yeah, okay, so these are the that time is yeah. Okay, yeah. Damn it. I closed the script. Thingy, I needed two player. No, that would be. So I want public int change and then so int get right, is it? It's a flow, isn't it? Hello, hello. Yes, we're back for get float. Get float. That one. Not modifying it. Change player and then one. Change player is equal to change. Press stop. Set block. Is equal to that. Data. Right, so we need that. The public int. Change player is equal to player dot change player. There we go. As simple as that, and it should now, when loading and saving, save the character you have selected. Thus, it should load the character that you are. That's I want to then go layer equal to layer class.get loot. There we go. Save you. Bite money. Right. It's saving money. When did I add that? Oh yeah. No, well, I'm just being stupid. Yeah. I'm being stupid. Should have updated it to have, yay! Change layer. That's from that save, and if we do that and drag there. And as you can see, as that continues for an extra line, this one doesn't, which is all in all means that it is good. Yeah. Anyway, simple fix
Coming through, coming through, coming
for
through
that.
the noise.
Yeah.
I'm floating through outer
Well, let's
space.
jump back to this and
I'm lost and I can't find a oh, all the lights going dark.
get this done with. Well, I will be able to
Is anybody there?
buy characters. Yeah. Actually, well, yeah, because it'd be price, and then from price, that. Player 1, and then then once viewed by this, it will say
So dark out here in space.
um
And it's been so long since I've seen a face.
well, yeah, then it'd say play 2 or unlock, I guess.
Between you and me. And I feel like I'm going insane. Help me. Is anybody there?
Well, no, because you'd be able to see, because it'd say own and buy, so
Save me. I'm running out of air.
I'll change it from price to name. I want to buy plus name. Yeah. Yeah, and stats will go from buy to own. Yeah. Also, if you want to know how I do it, I'll just get another BUTT. Can't button to play because button is already to the game object. A game object can only contain a selected component. 1.
Calling out Mayday.
Well, now how am I going to do it?
Calling out Mayday.
So if I have a U on top of it. Oh no, I'm gonna end it here, guys. I'm gonna have to think about how I'm gonna do it because that's how I was originally gonna do it. Not unless it first checks. I choose player, checks to see if you're on the thing, and then if not, then one message says that you. Well, no, say if you click it and you've got enough, then it'd say, do you wish to buy it? Buy this character. And then, that. Yeah, that's the only way I could think of doing it. Yeah. It'd be if the choose character script actually checked to properly see if you own said obviously character. Yeah. Which due to player 1 being free, it would just automatically create the folder which would generate an asset of player 1. And then the actual and then the upgrades done to it, which won't have that file because player 1 is going to be a non-upgradable character, it's your first character, it's from the first start of the box. Player 2, it's after 10 bits or whatever. You better buy it and it'll be your first upgradable character, which will also have, obviously in the player owned characters will have that as an asset, and then that, and then then obviously a saves file which will then contain all the upgrades that it has had to it. It will also, yeah, but there would probably be 2 files. One would be upgrade, one would be obviously the normal base stats. The reason why is because if you guys say, obviously once I say get into high enough release where I'm happy to obviously give it to you guys like publicly for free or whatever, yeah, like where modding, where you can add your own characters and make your own characters, yeah. Well, yeah, then of course when game updates, or say you remove, say that character from, say, the mods file, where it would stop everyone from having it. You know, like all the, like your account would still have that character there because, well, it's got the asset of it already. You know, in the player-owned characters, the asset would be there with the base stats that the modder put in, and then the and then probably, yeah, and then then upgrade, then like the upgrade one, which if it's upgradable. So yes, that's somewhat how I'll plan to allow modding plus like obviously you'll be able to build your own tracks, and because Unity and Blender work well with one another, you could make a somewhat track in Blender, throw it into Unity or whatever to get it working in here, or yeah, say like in the map, not map, say I don't know, I'm gonna end it here, guys. I know I didn't do that much. Anyway, if I do another stream, which will probably be by the end of the year, it will possibly most likely be in Minecraft. If not, either War Thunder or some other type of game. So yeah, guys, hope you guys have somewhat enjoyed this. Tell me in the comments down below if you have, and yeah, guys, have a good day or night, depending on wherever you are and whenever you are watching this, and stay safe. Yeah. Okay, well, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in, well, for you guys, you'll be hearing my voice once again on the 19th of December, so in 2 days time, you guys will be hearing my voice again for the last, well, the 23rd is the last what if of the year, but it's the is it the last posted / live streamed video of the year? Oh no, doubtful. Maybe, which would mean I'd be possibly live streaming sometime. Probably not the 26th or 27th, maybe 29th or 30th. I'm not 100% sure, so don't believe I will, because I may or may not live stream then. Anyways, yeah. Don't really know what else to say except for